You'll never get old if you eat these 12 anti-aging foods. When we pack our diet with vibrant foods loaded with antioxidants, healthy fats, water, and essential nutrients, our body will show its appreciation through its largest organ, our skin. After all, the skin is often the first part of our body to show internal trouble, and there's only so much that lotions, creams, masks, and serums can do before we need to take a closer look at what's fueling us. Researchers have even concluded that eating fruits and veggies is the safest and healthiest way to combat dull complexions and fine lines. This video shows 12 foods that actually work in preventing the signs of aging. 1. Watercress. The health benefits of watercress don't disappoint. This nutrient-dense hydrating leafy green is a great source of calcium, potassium, manganese, phosphorus, vitamins A, C, K, B1, and B2. Watercress acts as an internal skin antiseptic and increases the circulation and delivery of minerals to all cells of the body, resulting in enhanced oxygenation of the skin. Packed with vitamins A and C, the antioxidants in watercress may neutralize harmful free radicals, helping to keep fine lines and wrinkles away. 2. Red bell pepper. Red bell peppers are loaded with antioxidants which reign supreme when it comes to anti-aging. In addition to their high content of vitamin C, which is good for collagen production, red bell peppers contain powerful antioxidants called carotenoids. Carotenoids are plant pigments responsible for the bright red, yellow, and orange colors you see in many fruits and vegetables. They have a variety of anti-inflammatory properties. Trusted source and may help protect skin from sun damage, pollution, and environmental toxins. To try, slice bell peppers and dip them in hummus as a snack, add them into a raw salad, or cook them up in a stir-fry. 3. Papaya. This delicious superfood is rich in a variety of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that may help to improve skin elasticity and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. These include vitamins A, C, K, and E, calcium, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, B vitamins. The wide range of antioxidants in papaya helps to fight free radical damage and may delay signs of aging. Papaya also contains an enzyme called papain, which provides additional anti-aging benefits by working as one of nature's best anti-inflammatory agents. It's also found in many exfoliating products. So yes, eating papaya, or using products containing papain, may help your body shed dead skin cells, leaving you with glowing, vibrant skin. To try, drizzle fresh lime juice over a big plate of papaya as part of your breakfast, or make a papaya mask at home for your next night in. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in vitamins A and C, as well as an age-defying antioxidant called anthocyanins. This is what gives blueberries their deep, beautiful blue color. These powerful antioxidants may help protect skin from damage due to the sun, stress, and pollution by moderating the inflammatory response and preventing collagen loss. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is an anti-inflammatory, anti-aging powerhouse packed with vitamins C and K, a variety of antioxidants, fiber, folate, lutein, calcium. Your body needs vitamin C for the production of collagen, the main protein in skin that gives it strength and elasticity. To try, you can eat broccoli raw for a quick snack, but if you have the time, gently steam before eating. From charred bites to pesto sauces, cooking broccoli actually helps release more health benefits for your body. 6. Spinach. Spinach is super hydrating and packed with antioxidants that help to oxygenate and replenish the entire body. It's also rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, Magnesium. Plant-based heme iron. Lutein. This versatile leafy green's high vitamin C content enhances collagen production to keep skin firm and smooth. But that's not all. The vitamin A it provides may promote strong, shiny hair, while vitamin K has been shown to help reduce inflammation in cells. 7. Nuts. Many nuts, especially almonds, are a great source of vitamin E, which may help repair skin tissue, retain skin moisture, and protect skin from damaging UV rays. Walnuts even contain anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids that may help strengthen skin cell membranes, protect against sun damage, give skin a beautiful glow by preserving its natural oil barrier. 8. Avocado. Avocados are high in inflammation-fighting fatty acids that promote smooth, supple skin. They also contain a variety of essential nutrients that may prevent the negative effects of aging, including vitamins K, C, E, and A. B vitamins. Potassium. The high content of vitamin A in avocados can help us shed dead skin cells, leaving us with gorgeous, glowing skin. Their carotenoid content may also assist in blocking toxins and damage from the sun's rays and also help to protect against skin cancers. To try, throw some avocado into a salad, smoothie, or just eat it with a spoon. Just when you thought you've tried all the ways to eat an avocado, we've got 23 more. You can also try it topically as an incredible moisturizing mask to fight inflammation, reduce redness, and help prevent wrinkles. 9. Sweet potatoes. The orange color of the sweet potato comes from an antioxidant called beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A. Vitamin A may help restore skin elasticity, promote skin cell turnover, and ultimately contribute to soft, youthful-looking skin. This delicious root vegetable is also a great source of vitamin C and E, both of which may protect our skin from harmful free radicals and keep our complexion radiant. To try, whip up one of these sweet potato toast recipes that will up your breakfast or snack game like no other. Thanksgiving isn't the only time to add this veggie to your diet. 10. Pomegranate seeds. Pomegranates have been used for centuries as a healing medicinal fruit. High in vitamin C and a variety of potent antioxidants, pomegranates may protect our body from free radical damage and reduce levels of inflammation in our system. These healthy fruits also contain a compound called punicalagins, which may help to preserve collagen in the skin, slowing signs of aging. 11. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin oil is probably the healthiest oil on planet Earth. It is a powerful antioxidant that helps keep free radicals at bay, reducing the damage caused by oxidative stress. Furthermore, research suggests that a diet rich in olive oil can lower the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, or even cancer. Extra virgin oil is also rich in monounsaturated fats. Studies show that monounsaturated fats help your skin stay young and elastic for longer. 12. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a power food. It contains lots of antioxidants that help protect your skin from sun damage and mellow out the aging process. Dark chocolate also contains flavonoids, which are thought to lower the risk of heart diseases, diabetes, and cognitive decline. The main secret to chocolate lies in its cocoa content. Always make sure you eat dark chocolate that contains at least 70% cocoa and very little added sugar. Otherwise, you won't be able to reap all these health benefits.